Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Giselle Quintana of Lavender Locks Estates, and today I am taking you to a place that literally takes my breath away every single time I visit. I am here at the peak of Ayala Greenfield Estates. If you are watching this, you're probably tired of the concrete jungle of Metro Manila and you want space, you want air, you want this. If you have been dreaming of a home where you can wake up to the view of Mount Makiling on one side, the Makati skyline, and Laguna de Bay on the other, then you're in the right place. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the enchanted neighborhood of the South, Ayala Greenfield Estate. There is a common misconception of almost everyone. Malayo ang Laguna, and let's debunk that. From the Skyway Stage 3, Makati is practically a neighbor. We are the gateway of the South, and bakit dito? Because Calamba is the Silicon Valley of the Philippines. Industrial parks are nearby, but dito sa taas, it's very quiet. You have the best of both worlds, like your business is down there, but your sanctuary is up here. And imagine living in a 350-hectare sanctuary na feeling mo nasa ibang bansa ka, but in reality, you're just a short drive from the city. So nasaan nga ba tayo? Ayala Greenfield Estates is nestled in the heart of Calamba, Laguna. And what I love about this location is the accessibility. If you are coming from Makati or BGC, it's just about a 40 to 60 minutes drive via SLEX. And if you're from Alabang, in 20 minutes, nandito ka na. It's the perfect midpoint for people who work in Metro but want to escape the ingay and pollution of the city at the end of the day. Plus, we are very close to New Valley and Tagaytay. So yung weekend options mo for dining and shopping, endless talaga. What makes this development a truly luxury? It's not just the name, it's the elevation. So part of the estates are 315 meters above sea level, and ang result nito, malamig na simoy ng hangin all year round. Parang Tagaytay vibes but more exclusive. And Ayala Greenfield is also a bird sanctuary. Imagine we have around 35 species of endemic and migratory birds here. It's a community that works around with nature. Hindi yung sinisira yung nature to build houses, something like that. This is responsible luxury at its finest. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Laging tinatanong ng mga clients natin from Manila, Giselle, binabaha ba dito? Especially with the weather changes lately, right? And everyone wants to be sure. So this is a critical question from high-end buyers in the luxury market. Flood-free is not just a feature. It's a non-negotiable requirement for protecting your investment. So first, let's talk about elevation. We are sitting on the foothills of Mount Makiling. Parts of Ayala Greenfields are 315 to 400 meters above sea level. Just to give you a perspective, yung mga areas sa Metro Manila na binabaha are usually just 5 to 10 meters above sea level. Dito, we are practically in the clouds. So geographically, imposible talagang mag-pool yung tubig dito sa baha. Second, it's about Ayala's world-class engineering. Hindi lang ito basta bundok na tinayuan ng bahay, something like that. The estate has a sophisticated underground drainage system. So, even during the strongest typhoons, yung mga ondoy levels, the water here just flows naturally down towards the outfalls because of the natural slope of the land, pababa siya. And the short answer with that question is definitely not. And here's why. So when you buy here at Ayala Greenfield Estates, you're not just buying a view, you're buying your peace of mind. And habang nag-aalala ang iba sa Manila about the rising tide or the clogged sewers, dito sa Ayala Greenfield, you're sipping coffee on your balcony, watching the rain fall over the lake, and knowing your home and your family are safe and dry. It's one of the biggest luxury flexes you can have, like zero worries about flooding. Now, let's talk about the ultimate flex of owning a property here. Most of my clients ask, Giselle, do I need to buy a separate golf share to play here? And this is the part where I love seeing their faces light up. Because here, sa Ayala Greenfield Estate, when you purchase a lot, it already comes with a golf membership share. Yes, you heard that right. You're not just buying a piece of land. You are buying into an elite lifestyle. One of the things I love the most about Ayala Greenfield Estates is the world-class clubhouse clubhouse. Plus, when you live here, you have the exclusive access to play in their golf course. So, sino nga bang magiging neighbors mo dito? You are looking at CEOs, retired ambassadors, and tech entrepreneurs, people who value privacy and exclusivity. So dito, the lots are carved into the mountain. Hindi ka dikit-dikit sa kapitbahay like the other subdivisions because here, each home is an architectural masterpiece. So if you appreciate privacy, you will love it here so much. Quality is never an issue here because this is a collaboration between two giants in real estate, Ayala Land Premier and Greenfield Development Corporation. And when you hear Ayala Land Premier, you know it's the gold standard of Philippine real estate. They are the same minds behind Forbes Park and Ayala Alabang. And with ALP, you're not just buying a lot, you're buying a legacy of excellence and world-class maintenance. And konting trivia muna tayo. This partnership started back in the late 90s and officially launched in 2000s. It was envisioned to be the first ever residential golf community in the area that focuses on environmental design. For over 20 years, it has matured beautifully. Yung mga puno dito malalaki na and the community is very well established. It's not an experiment, it's a proven masterpiece. As you can see guys, sobrang hangin, ang gaganda ng view, something like that. This is the highlight, the Ayala Greenfield Golf and Leisure Club. It features an 18-hole par 72 championship course designed by the legendary Robert Trent Jones Jr. If you are not a golfer, no worries because we have the Village Clubhouse with an infinity pool that overlooks the city lights of Manila. So there's also a 15-hectare nature park with hiking trails, a fishing lagoon, and even camping ground. So it's like having a private resort in your backyard. So why buy now? Because the South is booming. The North-South Commuter Railway or the NSCR is nearing completion, which will connect Calamba to Makati in just 45 minutes by train. Plus, the upcoming Bukal Bypass Road with the ongoing expansion of SLEX and the TR4 travel to Quezon and Batangas will be even faster. High accessibility always leads to capital appreciation, right? So your investment today will likely double in value in the next few years. So imagine if lahat ito nag-exist, the price will be a bomb here in Ayala Greenfield Estates. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of Ayala Greenfield Estates. Luxury isn't just about the price tag. It's about the quality of life you provide for yourself and your loved ones. If you want to see these views in person, I'd be more than happy to give you a private tour. Again, I am Giselle Quintana of Lavender Lux Estates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. My contact details are in the description box below. See you in your next new home.